Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched best low cap meme coin here, another frog theme meme coin here. First, this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin here. I will share you all further details here. And recently, this meme coin list on a major central exchange here, so it's definitely possible that we can see this meme coin to the moon in coming just few months here. Because right now, again, crypto market is dumping, but when bull run will be officially started, then this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. So I will share you it's all further details here, but this video is not any financial video. If you're making investment in this meme coin or any other meme coin, then you have to do your own research. But friends, before that, if you like my content and if you wanna watch more meme coins video, then I provide these all my crypto addresses links in description. And also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel and you can copy these addresses, support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins. Through the virtual rights now frog is symbol 0.005 $4 current price it dropped by almost 7% here, but in last 7 days 142% pump here. So this is awesome that is 142% pump already, $27.5 million market already. So this is awesome friends. $15 million market, this is good. 5 billion coin supply and all in circulation. And first, this is Binance ecosystem. Okay, meme coin. I can see BNB chain meme coins. So that's why this meme coin is very unique because we have many frog theme meme coins on Solana chain and on Ethereum chain, but we did not have any frog theme meme coin on BNB chain. So that's why this meme coin is very unique because I can see a frog theme meme coin on BNB chain because right now we have massive hype again for BNB chain meme coin, just like Baby Doge coin listed on Binance exchange and Floki was already listed on Binance Exchange, and Coin Coin has massive hype right now on other BNB chain meme coin and Monkey Coin, Vice Monkey. So this coin is the first Floki meme coin on BNB chain. So this is awesome. We are only 35% down than all time high. That was 8 hours ago. So friends, recently this meme coin has max its new all-time high, and I will show you the reason why this meme coin has touched its new all-time high, and we are 300% up in its all-time lower. They were just 4 days ago. So very newly launched meme coin $0.0013 is all-time low, where from we are 300% up here. So performance from this meme coin is awesome, and right now because entire crypto market is dumping, so that's why this coin is also dumping here. Maybe we can see it's dump here maybe up to 50 to 60% here, and that can be the good buying opportunity here. After you can see MEXC exchange has list this coin yesterday, K2 has early list. So that's why this meme coin has max all time high recently. So this is awesome for us. You can see only 2 cent like exchanges list this coin, but still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. So that's why this meme coin is very unique, that maybe in coming days or in coming few weeks and crypto market will again recover here. That is possible that we can see this meme coin to the moon. You can check out all further details here on the website. You can see friends, you can buy this coin on PancakeSwap using this contract address, and you can see friends total supply was 5 billion coin and LP is burned 20%. So this is good. 40% for mega airdrop, IP mining 40%, and you can check out all further details on their website. You can see friends, sport, trading, future trading, and these some other information about this meme coin. And first, I can see on BSC scan. Okay, number of holders are, you can see 543,000 holders. So this is I think only fake holders. Okay, this meme coin has no holders. Okay, and this amount, because friends, you can see highest supply hold by Binance Hot Wallet. So if this real, if there's no any board system here, then this meme coin can be the next Pepe definitely, because if Binance holding this meme coin, it means that we can see its listing on Binance. Okay, definitely you can see friends, 40% of these tokens are held by Binance. That is the highest holder of Frog coin. So maybe it's real. I'm not saying that this is 100% scam, but there's 50-50% chances that this wallet maybe can be fake. And number of holders, there are amazing, nearly 500,000 holders. So this can be fake. I'm not saying 100%, but I'm doubtful about that. And you can see friends, number fifth wallet MEX exchange holding 0.8% supply, because Binance holding 40% of supply. So this is good, or maybe it can be rugged also. And these are the other 50 wallets they are holding this coin. So friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market is trading $7 million, trading volume is awesome. Already MEXC and Ghetto.io has listed this coin. So definitely it's possible that we can see major central exchange listing when crypto market will recover again. And in next year mega bullion, if it's real that number of holders are really more than 500,000 and Binance is holding this coin, that I already show you Binance wallet has 40% of its token. So if that's real, then definitely we can see this coin in $1 billion market. But if it's just for rugged or for using bot is holders are increased here, then definitely we cannot see this meme coin on many major central exchanges, and then this token can be rugged also. What's your review about this meme coin? Do you think 500,000 holders are real and Binance is holding 40% of supply, or no? You can must comment down below.